respected principal, teacher, parents, and my dear friends, wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Every year in India, the first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was great president, a great schooler, and excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is best way to express love and respect for their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Dear friend, we should always obey our teachers' order and follow their advice. Thank